From the silent encroachment of corrosion to the relentless wear and tear of daily operations, vigilant maintenance and repairs for barges and other types of marine vessels is essential. In this guide, we're going to cover everything operators of marine vessels need to know, including what type of checkups to perform, key components to examine, how to combat corrosion, and much more. Before we begin, we want to thank our sponsor who helped make this video possible, McDonough Marine Service. For over 75 years, McDonough Marine Service has offered one of the largest fleets of inland and ocean barges in the United States. Visit McDonoughMarine.com to visit their entire lineup of barges. Now let's get back to that video. Regular checkups are crucial. Maintaining the robust functionality of marine vessels hinges not only on understanding the intricate components, but also on the timing and thoroughness of inspections. In the wide range of operations, the emphasis on maintenance varies, catering to the unique demands of each component and its wear patterns. Frequency recommendations. In the operations of barges or other types of marine vessels, maintenance isn't a one-size-fits-all activity. It depends on the component in question and its susceptibility to wear and tear. Here are some general frequency guidelines to consider. Daily checks are routine inspections primarily aimed at ensuring the vessel's operational safety. It includes basic operational tests, checks for leaks, and a quick survey of equipment status. Monthly checks take a deeper look into machinery, equipment, and certain areas of the vessel. This could include inspecting the integrity of seals, testing safety equipment, and looking for signs of wear in high-use areas. Quarterly seasonal checks are inspections that might involve a more thorough examination of the barge's structural components, considering factors like the effects of seasonal changes. Annual inspections scrutinize almost every aspect of the barge. It often requires partial or complete docking and is essential for ensuring the vessel's long-term health and compliance with safety standards. Key components to examine. Not sure where to start your examination? Well, here's some key components to consider. Hull and deck. These form the barge's primary structure and are exposed to constant water pressure and potential impacts. Regularly inspect for signs of corrosion, damage, or deformations. Watertight compartments. Ensuring these compartments remain sealed is critical. They should be inspected for any leaks, rust, or seal damage that could compromise their watertight integrity. Propulsion and steering systems. The heart of the barge's mobility. Regular checks should be conducted to ensure the efficiency of engines, rudders, and propellers, looking for wear and ensuring proper lubrication. Electrical systems. A vital system that powers onboard machinery, lighting, and more. Inspections should ensure no loose connections, potential short circuits, and that all components are shielded from moisture. Safety equipment. Life vest, fire extinguishers, alarms, and other safety gear need to be in top condition. Regular checks ensure they function properly in emergencies. Understanding and combating corrosion. Corrosion, especially in the maritime sector, is a silent enemy that constantly undermines the durability and functionality of barges and all marine structures. For that reason, it's essential to understand the causes, types, and prevention techniques for corrosion. Causes of corrosion in marine environments. Corrosion is the gradual degradation of material by chemical reaction with their environment. It's a formidable adversary in marine settings. The unique challenges posed by the marine environment exacerbate the rate and severity of corrosion for reasons such as ocean and seawater. They're rich in salt, primarily sodium chloride. When metals come into contact with saline water, the salt acts as an electrolyte, facilitating the electrochemical reaction that causes corrosion. This makes marine environments particularly hostile to metal. The high humidity level in marine environments mean that surfaces are frequently wet, providing an ideal environment for corrosion, especially when combined with salt from the surrounding water. In addition, condensation on metal surfaces, especially during temperature fluctuations, can further accelerate the corrosion process. Continuous operation, frequent docking, and collisions with debris can cause wear and tear and minor damage to protective coatings or paint on marine vessels. These small breaches expose the underlying metal to water and oxygen, catalyzing the corrosion process. When two different metals come into close contact in a marine environment, galvanic corrosion can occur. This type of corrosion happens because of the potential difference between the two metals, causing one metal to corrode as it acts as an anode to the other metal, which acts as a cathode. Such scenarios are common in marine machinery and structures where different metals are often bolted or welded together. Types of corrosion. Corrosion, while often painted with a broad brush, is nuanced and manifest in various forms, each with its unique characteristics and triggers. Here's a deep dive into some of the most prevalent types. As the most common form, general attack corrosion impacts the entire surface of a metal uniformly. This type is primarily an electrochemical process where the metal turns into its oxide, hydroxide, or sulfide. It's predictable and fortunately can be managed with proper care, though it can lead to thinning and weakening of the material over time. As the name suggests, localized corrosion affects specific confined areas of a metal surface, leaving the majority untouched. There are three main types of localized corrosion: pitting, which is small pits and holes; crevice corrosion, which occurs in a stagnant location like those found between two joining surfaces; and filiform corrosion, which is underneath coatings leading to worm-like patterns. When two different metals or alloys come into electrical contact in the presence of an electrolyte, like salt water, galvanic corrosion can occur. One metal, the anode, will corrode faster than it would alone, while the other metal, the cathode, will experience a reduced rate of corrosion. This is due to the potential difference in their electrochemical properties, making it a common concern in marine settings. A more insidious type, environmental cracking, occurs when environmental conditions cause a material to become brittle and crack. It encompasses a range of corrosion types, including stress corrosion cracking, when tensile stretches and specific corrosive conditions align, and corrosion fatigue, which is cracking due to cyclic stresses in corrosive environments. The dangers lie in its unpredictable nature and potential for rapid material failure. Corrosion prevention techniques. In the face of the persistent threat posed by corrosion, especially in marine environments where barges operate, prevention becomes a key strategic component. Adopting effective techniques to combat the onset and progression of corrosion is essential to safeguard the integrity and longevity of barges and marine structures. Some of the most pivotal corrosion prevention methodologies include: at the foundation of any anti-corrosion strategy is the choice of materials. Opting for metals that are inherently more resistant to corrosion, like stainless steel or aluminum, can provide an inbuilt defense. For marine applications, bronze and brass, which resist saltwater corrosion, are commonly used. Understanding the environment in which the material will operate can help in choosing alloys specifically designed to resist corrosion in those conditions. As a direct and effective method, applying protective coating or paint provides a barrier between the metal and corrosive agents. Modern coatings are formulated to be resistant to specific corrosive challenges, be it saline water or industrial chemicals. In addition to protection, these coatings can also offer aesthetic benefits, making them a popular choice for both functional and visual purposes. As a sophisticated method primarily used for submerged or buried structures, cathodic protection involves making the metal structure act as a cathode, thus preventing corrosion. This is achieved by either attaching a more reactive metal to act as the anode, the sacrificial anode method, or by applying an external electrical DC current, ensuring that the entire structure remains cathodic. Sometimes the simplest measures are the most effective. Regular cleaning ensures that deposits which can trap moisture are removed, reducing the risk of localized corrosion like pitting. In addition, periodic inspections can help detect early signs of corrosion, facilitating timely interventions and preventing more extensive damage. Like what you see? Hey, be sure and hit that like button and subscribe and hit the notification icon so you're notified every time we release a new barge or marine construction video. We appreciate your support. Essential maintenance practices beyond corrosion. Navigating waters demands meticulous attention to a vessel's integrity. Whether it's the watertight barriers that shield against intrusive waters, the propulsion systems driving its course, or the electrical networks powering its operations. In addition to the machinery, it's the human element, the well-trained crew, that stands as the most versatile line of defense against the unpredictable challenges of the marine realm. Ensuring watertight integrity. Seals, crucial for preventing water ingress, degrade over time due to wear and marine exposure. Regular checking of the seals can prevent moisture entry, averting potential corrosion and equipment damage. The bilge pump expels unwanted water from the vessel's lowest compartment, safeguarding buoyancy and safety. Periodic bilge pump tests ensure its readiness, highlighting potential blockages or malfunctions. Watertight doors and hatches are central to a vessel's compartmentalization strategy, containing flooding and ensuring buoyancy. Routine maintenance of watertight doors and hatches checks their sealing efficiency, locking mechanisms, and overall structural integrity. Propulsion and steering maintenance. Oil plays a pivotal role in ensuring the smooth operation of marine engines and machinery. Like all engines, those on vessels accumulate impurities over time, compromising efficiency and potentially causing damage. Regular oil changes not only extend the lifespan of the machinery, but also maintain optimal performance and fuel efficiency. Propellers are the driving force behind the vessel's movement. Over time, they can sustain damage from debris, corrosion, and regular wear and tear. Regular propeller inspections can detect deformities, cracks, or inefficiencies. Prompt replacement or repair ensures the vessel maintains its speed, maneuverability, and reduces unnecessary fuel consumption. The rudder system governs the direction and stability of a vessel. A malfunctioning or compromised rudder can seriously affect a vessel's navigability. Periodic rudder system checks ensure the rudder's mechanisms like the tiller and pintles are free from corrosion and damage. In addition, making sure the hydraulic or mechanical systems that control the rudder are functioning properly is also essential for safe navigation. Electrical system maintenance. Electrical systems on vessels are intricate networks that depend on stable connections. Loose or corroded connections can lead to power losses, inefficiencies, or even hazardous situations. Regularly inspecting and tightening loose connections ensures consistent power flow and reduces the risk of electrical fires or short circuits. Generators and batteries are the lifeline of a vessel's electrical system. While generators ensure a continuous power supply, batteries play a vital role during emergencies or when auxiliary power is required. It's essential to test both generators and batteries routinely, ensuring they can deliver optimal output when needed. For batteries, this includes checking for proper charge levels and potential signs of aging, like swelling or leakage. Generators should be run periodically to ascertain their efficiency and to detect any unusual sounds or vibrations. The marine environment is inherently damp, posing a significant risk to electrical systems. Moisture can lead to short circuits, corrosion of components, or reduced equipment lifespan. To mitigate exposure to moisture, it's essential to ensure all electrical components, especially connections and junctions, are well insulated and sealed. In addition, dehumidifiers or ventilation can be used in areas prone to condensation to maintain a dry environment. Regular training drills. Marine operations rely heavily on human expertise and intuition. A well-trained crew not only ensures efficient operations, but also minimizes risk during unexpected events. They can adeptly handle equipment, make informed decisions on the fly, and communicate effectively among themselves. A cohesive and knowledgeable crew enhances overall vessel performance, safeguards assets, and fortifies safety protocols. Emergencies at sea can be unpredictable and forgiving. Regular safety drills play a vital role in preparing the crew for such eventualities. These drills instill a sense of discipline, ensure quick reflexes during crises, and highlight areas needing improvement. Through repeated practice, crew members internalize critical steps, enabling them to act swiftly and confidently during real emergencies. In addition, drills provide opportunities to refine and perfect protocols, ensuring that the entire crew works as a unified front when faced with challenges. Conclusion: the health and longevity of a barge are products of diligent maintenance, keen attention to detail, and a well-trained crew. Through regular checkups and proactive strategy, owners and operators of marine vessels can combat corrosion and wear while ensuring the safety and operational efficiency of these marine giants. Above all, the key to successful and safe barge operations lies in a blend of knowledge, practice, and an unwavering commitment to routine care. Well, that's all we've got for now, and once again, we want to thank our sponsor for this video, McDonough Marine Service. If you're looking for a quality barge, be sure to visit mcdonoughmarine.com or call them at 888-569-5929.